My name is Nisha Raja Shankar from Civil Department, second year, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are discussing about on the topic of torsion of circular shaft. Firstly, let us see the basic equation of torsion, that is T upon IP is equals to Fs upon R is equals to G theta upon L. Then we divided this equation in two forms, that is strength criteria and stiffness criteria. So firstly, T upon IP is equals to Fs upon R and stiffness criteria is T upon IP is equals to G theta upon L. Now move on the formulas, that is first is polar moment of inertia and second one is polar power in kilowatt. So IP is equals to pi by 32 into b raised to the power 4 and the formula of power is pkw is equals to 2 pi nt upon 60,000. T means torque and N means RPM. RPM is equals to revolution per minute. Now move on the numerical on this topic. So circular shaft of 100 diameter is transmitting the power of 50 kilowatt at 150 rpm. Determine the maximum shear stress and angle of twist for the length of shaft 2.5 meter and the G is given, that is 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 in Newton per mm square. The given data is diameter is given, that is 100 mm, n is equals to 150 rpm, length is equals to 2.5 meter. So length is given in meter, we can convert it into mm, that is 2500, and G is given 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. P is equals to 50 kilonewton. So we want to find stress and the theta, that is angle, and radius is equals to 100 minus 50, that is because diameter is given, so we want to find radius easily, that is 100 minus 50 is equals to 50. Then solution, power is equals to pkw. The formula of power is 2 pi nt, 60,000 that is given in this 50 is equals to 2 into 3.14 into 150 into T upon 60,000. So the value of T is 3183.09 into 10 to the power 3 Newton mm, and we want to find IP is equals to pi by 32 into 10 to the power 4 is equals to pi by 32 into D is equals to 100 raised to the power 4. The IP is 9.81 into 10 to the power 6 mm raised to the power 4. Put this power and IP in the equation, basic equation, that is IP upon T upon IP is equals to Fs upon R 3183.09 into 10 to the power 3 upon 9.81 into 10 to the power 6 is equals to Fs upon 50. The value of Fs is 16.22 Newton per mm square. And then we want to find stiffness criteria, that is our strength criteria, and that is our stiffness criteria. T upon IP is equals to G theta upon L, 3183 into 0.9 into 10 to the power 3 upon 9.81 into 10 to the power 6 is equals to G is given on the numerical, that is 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 theta upon 2500. So the our angle, that is theta, is equals to 0.010 radian. Thank you.